I will never be a loser. I refuse to bow down to failure. I refuse to let my struggles break me. Life has thrown pain, doubt, and fear at me, but I stand tall. I have been knocked down, but I rise every time. I have faced darkness, but I keep walking toward the light. Losers quit when it gets hard. I fight harder. Losers complain. I find solutions. Losers stay down. I get up stronger. I was not made to be weak. I was not made to surrender. No matter how many times I fall, I will rise again because I am not a loser. I am a warrior, a survivor, and a winner. And if life dares to challenge me again, I will remind it who I am. I will remind it that my fire never dies, my spirit never breaks, my heart never stops fighting. I will push, I will grind, I will endure, because I was